Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to start earning money from Instagram Reels. Before we dive in, don't forget to check out the description for some helpful resources, and let's get started. So, how can you monetize your Instagram Reels? The first step is to make a few adjustments to your Instagram settings. Let's begin by opening Instagram. Next, go to your profile by tapping the icon at the bottom right of your screen. Once you're there, tap the three lines in the top right corner, also known as the hamburger menu. From the menu, scroll down until you see the Account section. Here, you'll want to tap on Switch to Professional Account. To monetize your content on Instagram, you need to set up a professional account. So go ahead and tap on Continue, read through the information, and then fill in some basic details. Choose the category that best describes you. For example, you can select Digital Creator if you're into content creation. After that, hit Done. Instagram will now guide you through a few additional steps. You'll have the option to select either Creator or Business. Choose Creator for now and tap Next. Now, we need to check your monetization status. To do this, go back to the three-line menu in the top right corner and scroll down to find Creator Tools and Controls. Tap on Monetization Status, and here you'll be able to see if your account meets the requirements to monetize. If your account isn't eligible yet, you might see a message explaining why. Usually, if your account doesn't meet Instagram standards, it won't be able to monetize. But don't worry, you can fix that. Tap on Partner Monetization Policies to see what issues you need to resolve. You can also request a review if your account has been flagged. Before requesting a review, make sure your profile is fully completed and that you have a solid presence on Instagram. This could mean having a substantial number of followers and engaging content. If your account doesn't meet these requirements yet, take the time to build your audience and follow Instagram's guidelines. Once everything is set, submit a request for review, and once approved, you'll be able to monetize your posts. By the way, if you're interested in running ads to promote your content, you can easily add your payment details for ads. To do that, go to your profile, select a post, and click Boost Post to promote it and grow your reach. That's all for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips. Stay tuned for our next video.